Case file number 011, the Commonwealth Magic Circle procedure. Warning: this broadcast utilizes the Commonwealth Protocol. Calibration parameters have been adjusted. A double crochet in this sector equates to a single crochet iteration in the U.S. mainframe. Proceed with caution. This is case file number 011. We are reviewing restored footage of a foundational procedure required for amigurumi and three-dimensional textile construction, the magic ring or magic circle. The subject initiates the sequence. The fiber is deliberately looped around the appendage and pulled through. A rudimentary slip stitch is established. A single chain is executed to provide necessary elevation. The material is slightly pivoted. The subject inserts the hardware into the primary foundational loop and executes 6 consecutive double crochets. 1, 2, 3, a continuous rhythmic progression. Observe the procedural pivot. As the subject approaches the final 2 stitches, the material is manipulated to envelop the loose yarn tail. A firm, deliberate pull is applied to the loose fiber. The central aperture is sealed. The procedure demands structural expansion. To increase the circumference, the practitioner must place 2 double crochets into each existing stitch. Here we document a critical anomaly mitigation technique. As the subject approaches the final stitches of the increase round, the loose tail presents a structural threat. Notice the intervention. The hook is inserted. The tail is deliberately draped over the hardware and secured beneath the active loops. This maneuver anchors the loose thread in place, guaranteeing the magic circle remains permanently closed. The original data log indicates 2 distinct progression paths upon completion. The practitioner may continue executing stitches in a continuous, uninterrupted spiral, or they may insert the hardware and execute a slip stitch. This secondary method terminates the continuous sequence, resulting in discrete rows in the round. This concludes our observation of case file number 011, Analog Crafts for a Digital World.